Facts of life, everyday living.
It looks like you lost another one.
Mommy, yeah, where you at? Daddy's dead, and that's facts. I'm missing approach from close folks. Yeah, gripping my toes through most folks. It's like heavy with a bird and a bear. I try to show it so I'm standing like clear. I'm looking clear too, stating with my eyes vision. And the living of the life that we all living. I ain't fucking around, I ain't slipping. A nigga too equipped with the shit. On the black, them nigga put you down, it's a hit. And it ain't like take too much to make your brains leak out. This is what the violence all seek out. Preachers in the church like preaching. Niggas on the black seeking for lyrical peeping. Niggas on the guns play. The slums say what the slums say. Beat it like a drum. Still he can take the pain away. Cause mostly people feeling Allah. They can't bear it, I swear it. And the shit like so scary, Jim Carrey. I know that you hear me. Twilight Zone, the 9-night zone, like the grand prize zone. Do the shit I roam with a chrome nigga. Cause it's like this and it's like that. If you ain't like strap, it's better to got it and need it, and to need it and don't got it. That shit is automatic, it's the sound of the gat play. Hey night, I gotta hear a couple shots, cause that's how it is on my black. Yeah, like in Kingston 11, where the devil sleep. I'm a bad nigga with a rebel speech, hardcore with this flex. I ain't looking for sex, I ain't looking to leave it wrecked. I'm looking for the height just to change my life. I be seeking for the shit, gotta make it right. It ain't hard height until you reach the height of your life. When you look out, you say that's life. Yeah, I still will I, ooh, do I be? It's only me by myself with my shadow, living for today and also for tomorrow. Yeah, with no sorrow, sip till I'm paro, smoke till my brain's like up in my marrow. Yeah, I be feeling this flex, so I know what I'm saying. And this shit ain't the best. It ain't something that they choose to mess with. Ain't like something that regret with, flex with. Ain't like something they gon' step with. Still a nigga do it. It's the best from the next shit. Yeah, microphone wrecker, hose wrecker, home wrecker, zone wrecker, bone breaker, dome taker, all of for it. You know I'm staking. I ain't like faking. This nigga tin, rise it up. Yeah, pacing. Yeah, these niggas hating. Rise it up. Yeah, pacing.